Want to build your own AI-powered object detection system? Rocket, let's do it with Python and PictoBlox. First, open PictoBlox and switch to Python mode. Import the necessary libraries for AI and object detection. We'll use object detection AI models to recognize objects in real time. Just a few lines of code, and boom, your AI is ready. Now, let's test it. The AI detects objects instantly? Impressive, right? Want more cool AI projects? Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Clapperboard bell.